Om Shri Sai Ram. So let us continue to the fifth lesson, Maharana Pratapaha. So lesson's name itself, Maharana Pratapaha. So we know who is Maharana Pratap. So it's a story in his life, what happened once, what happened. Okay, it has taken from a different book. Just for your lesson, they have given a small part of that book. So see, Maharana Pratapaha, down they have given Itihasa Grantebhya Sangrahitaha. Sangrahitaha, which means collected. So Itihasa Grantebhya, from the history books, they have collected this lesson part from, maybe from different sources. They have collected this lesson from different history sources, and they have constructed as a story, and they have given it for you as a lesson. Okay. So Pitika, as usual, preamble. What they are saying, Bharatiye itihase kechana tapasa jnanena grantha grathanena prasiddhimapannaha. So in Indian history, Bharatiya itihase, in Indian history, kechana, some people, they have prasiddhimapannaha, they have become very famous. How? Because of tapasa, because of doing penance. Penance doesn't mean they are going to sit in a forest quietly and they are going to realize, not that like that. They have continuously, they have started doing a work like a tapas. They have done some work continuously, and later they have achieved their goal. That is how they are using the word tapasa. And then jnanena, because of their scholarly knowledge. So the great scholars. And then grantha grathanena, by writing many books. So many people, they have become very famous in Indian history. So continuously, ete rishayah munayah darshanikaha kavayah iti bahumanyante. So these people are called rishayah, sages, munayah, saints, darshanikaha, philosophers, kavayah, poets. So iti bahuman, like this we call all of them. Anya kechana, and some of them are like this, and some of them, how they were, shauryena tyagena desha premna va achandrarkam kirtim arjayan. So kirti is yashas, what we call, so an achievement. So arjayan, they earned, some of them they earned. Arjayan, arjayati means earning something, so arjayan means they have earned. So then kirti, they have earned the kirti, yashas. How? Achandrarkam means till the last day of this world, their yashas will remain same. By what? Because of their bravery, shaurya, because of their tyaga, sacrifice, because of their nationalism, desha prema. So because of all these things, these people, they will keep their kirti, their yashas as it is till the last day of this world. Then continuously, Brahma Tejasa Kechana Bhumim Imam Bhushaya Masuhu. And some of them, they have become very famous in this, in Bhumi means Imam Bhumi, which means in this world, because of Brahma Tejasa. By achieving self-realization, they have become very famous. And Apare Viraha, some more Viraha, some more brave people, Kshatrena Ojasa, because of Kshatra Ojas, means vitality. Because of that, Bharata Bhumehe Dharmam, the religion of this country, Samskriti, culture of this country, Janatascha, people of this country, they have protected. So Samra Rakshahu, some of them brave people, because of their vitality, they have Samra Rakshahu, they have protected this Bharata Bhumi's religion and culture and the people. Tadrisheshu Anyatamaha Rana Pratapa Simha. So they have said some people, they have protected this country. So one of them was Rana Pratapa Simha. This is about the preamble. Now let us see the takeaways, major points from this one. Grantha Grathanena, studying the books. No, actually not studying the books and writing the books. Okay, that is what, writing the books, not studying. Achandrarkam, until the moon and sun are there, like that. See, you have heard so many words like until sun and moon are there, moon will be there, this will remain same in this way. So which means till the last day of this world, like that. And Arjayan, yes, earning. Bhushayamasu, yes, decorated this country. Ojasa, strength, body strength. See, Tejas, Ojas words you would have heard. Tejas, which means mentally how strength he is, or mental strength. And then Ojasa means body strength or vitality, we can call. Okay, these are the major points from this first part, Pitika or preamble. Okay. Next, the story starts. भारतस्य पश्चिमस्यां दिशि सहस्राधिकवर्षेभ्यः आक्रमणं भवति स्म. Yes. See, you have seen our Indian map, our country map, how it is. Pashchimasyam dishi. In the western direction, Sahasradhika Varshebhya, from thousands of years, so many people, they used to attack our country in the western direction, Pashchimasyam dishi. In the western direction of this country used to be attacked from thousands of years. Okay. Imam desham bahusampada bharitam iti manvanaha vaideshikaha tam sampadam atmasat kartum agachanti sma. And vaideshikaha, foreigners, foreign invaders, they have understood, they got to know that the country, this country is filled with sampat, filled with wealth, the greatest wealth. This country, Imam Desham, this country is filled with the greatest wealth, bharitam, filled. So like that they thought, manvanaha, they understood that the country is having so much of wealth. And then to conquer that wealth, sampadam atmasat kartum, to have that sampat, sampadam atmasat kartum, owning that sampat, owning something is called atmasat. Here owning the sampat, owning the wealth. To own that wealth, they have attacked this country. They have vaideshikaha, many of them, many of the foreign invaders, they have attacked the country. Tadviruddham Rajasthana Pradeshe Rajaputraha Akramanashilanam Pratirodhaya Mahantam Prayatnam Chakruhu. And Rajasthan, the place, it is there in the same western direction, right? So Tadviruddham, to oppose them, to oppose these foreign invaders, this Rajasthan Rajputs, what we call, or Rajaputraha, might be the Rajput word is from Rajaputraha, a word, Sanskrit word only. So these people, they have started opposing them in Rajasthan, in today's Rajasthan place. Okay, Akramanashilanam, invaders, Pratirodhaya Mahantam Prayatnam, they have given a great effort to oppose those kind of foreign invaders. Pratirodha, to stop them, they have they have given a greatest fight for them. Etesham Rajaputranam Shauryagatha Mahilanam Tyaganishtacha Adyapi Yunaha Swadeshakari Prerayati. And even today, Yunaha, youth will be inspired, youth will be prerayati, means inspiring, Swadeshakari, for what? To do some our country work, something which is related to our country. So this kind of stories, Rajaputranam Shauryagatha, the story of the Rajput princess, and then Mahilanam and Rajput ladies sacrifices, these kind of stories even today, are going to inspire all the youths for the work towards country. Okay, so major points from this part is Akramanam, yes, invade or attack, Bharitam, filled, Vaideshikaha, foreigners, Atmasat Kartum, to inculcate, Pratirodhaya, opposing, Yunaha, youth, Yunaha is a plural form. Okay, Prerayati, motivation, okay, inspiration, whatever. Then next point, Mewada iti sthalam Rajasthane atyantam prasiddham asit. In Rajasthan, Mewada was very famous place in Rajasthan. Tat sthalam tatra utpannanam shura rajanam shauryena atmahutya cha mahatim prasiddhim avapa. And moreover, tat sthalam, that place, Mewada, that place has got very famous. Mahatim prasiddhi means it was very famous because of the people who got birth in that place, Mewada. They were very brave. Shura Rajana, they were very brave kings. They have come up from that place, and their shaurya, means their bravery. Atmahuti, their sacrifice. Because of those princes' sacrifice and their bravery, the place Mewada got very famous. Avapa means reaching is called Avapa. Okay, so Prasiddhim Avapa means they reached that famous, that height of famous. Then Atratye Sisidiya Vamshe Bapparavalah Rana Hamiraha Rana Sangaha Prabhritayah Rana Sangaha, they have written Rana Sangaha also we can call Rana Sangh also. Rana Sangha Prabhritayah Shuraha Janma Levhire. And in this place, there are, you know that if it's a kingship or a king family and all, different dynasties will be there. So Sisidiya is one of the dynasties. So in that Sisidiya Vamshe, so many, in that Sisidiya dynasty, so many brave people, they got birth, like Bappa Raval, Rana Hamir, then Rana Sangh, Prabhrutaya means etc. Rana Sangh, etc. They got birth in that Sisidiya dynasty. And etasmin eva punyavamshe Rana Pratapasimha चत्वारिंशदुत्तर पंचदश शततमे वर्षे मे मासे नवमे दिनांके कुंबल ग्रामे एकः द्वितीयः सूर्यः इव उदितः. In that dynasty, in that Sisidiya dynasty, etasmineva punyavamshe, in that Sisidiya dynasty, punyavamshe, it's a very punya, because so many people, famous people, they got birth in that dynasty, means it's a punya vamsha. That vamsha, that dynasty has given so many people for this country, right? So they are calling it's a punya vamsha. In that Sisidiya vamsha only, Rana Pratap Simha got birth. Rana Pratap got birth. When Chatvarimshad Uttara, see Chatvarimshad is 40, Chatvarimshad Uttara Panchadasha Shata. Panchadasha Shata is 1500. Panchadasha Shata. Panchadasha is 15. Shata is 100. So 1500 is Panchadasha Shata. So Panchadasha Shatam means 1500. Chatvarimshad Uttara. Chatvarimshad is 40. 40 Uttara. 40 after 1500, which means 1540. So in that year, May Mase, in the month of May, Navame Dinanke, 9th. So 9th May 1540. On that date, in Kumbal village, Kumbala Grame, in Kumbal village, he got birth like a sun, S-U-N, like a sun, like a second sun. He has Uditaha, means that sunrise, no, in that way they are comparing with sunrise. Asya Mata Javantabai Chauhan, his wife's name was Javantabai and his father was second Udayasimha second. Okay, father and mother, these things are all important. You need to remember when he got birth, what was his father's and mother's name, and in which dynasty he got birth. Okay, these kind of points are important, you need to remember, and where he got birth, that is also. Yeah, Utpannana means grown up. Atmahutya, sacrificing, Prabhurtayah, etc. Okay. Then Tasmin Samaye Bahavaha Rajanaha Moghal Chakravartibhihi Saha Ayudhya Parajayam Anubhoya Taneva Dillishwaran Bhavayanti Sma. Tasmin Samaye, in that time when he got birth, by that time what was the situation of this country or of Rajasthan? Bahavaha Rajanaha, many of the kings, they had fought against Mughal emperors, Mughal Chakravarti, Chakravarti is emperor. They had Ayudhya fighting, Ayudhya fought, past tense, so fought against, they had fought against Mughal emperors and they defeated and they got defeated. Okay, Mughal emperors, they have defeated these Rajputs actually. So Parajayam Anubhuya, after getting defeat, finally they were not able to do anything and they have accepted these Mughal emperors, Dillishwaran, because they were ruling from Delhi, right? So Dillishwaran, these emperors, they have thought these Mughal emperors as Dillishwaras, means they were the ultimate kings, they were the god. In that way they used to think about Mughal emperors. In that was the condition when, that was the situation when Maharana Pratap got birth. And then Kechana Tesha Meva Sevaya Atmanaha Dhanyan Menire, and some of them they served Mughal emperors. By serving them only they felt satisfied. Dhanyan, Atmanaha Dhanyan Menire. They used to show that much of gratitude for Mughal emperors and they felt satisfied after serving Mughal emperors only. Some of them, only some of them, not everyone. Tasmin Kale Akbar Mahashayah Dehalyam Shasanam Karoti Sma. In that time, Akbar was ruling Delhi. Shasanam, actually Shasana is inscription, what you see, like Shasana, on the stone, on the rock, they will write the things, that is called inscription. But here Shasana is ruling actually, okay. So Akbar was ruling in Delhi in that time. सः अन्यराजेषु विद्यमानं परस्परकलहम् एव उपयुज्य आत्मनः शक्तिम् अवर्धयत. And what Akbar did, or before that we need to see how our Indian kings, they were not having mutual friendship, but they were having mutual enmity. So this country or a particular country is enemy of the next country, beside country. So these both kings, they were maintaining the enmity, but they never maintained a friendship. So mutual enmity. This mutual enmity helped Akbar to grow in Delhi. See, he used Upayujya, he used this mutual enmity of Indian kings, and he became very powerful. Shaktim Avardhayata. He became very powerful in Delhi. तेन वशीकृताः केचन राजानः तस्य सेवायां निरताः आसन्. And moreover, Akbar has conquered many small kingdoms in India. I mean, let us talk about Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, he has conquered many small kingdoms, and those kings, they used to serve Akbar. Okay, sevayam nirata asan. They used to serve Akbar. देशरक्षणार्थं सर्वदा बद्धपरिकरेषु राजपुत्रेषु एव स्वकर्तव्यविरतेषु का कथा अन्येषां राज्ञां. Yeah, this is an important question. So, you know, what is the matter of other kings? See, का कथा अन्येषां राज्ञां. What is the matter of other kings? When Rajput kings only, they forgot their duty and started serving some invaders, then what is the point with other kings? Yes, why? Because these Rajputs, they have desha rakshanartham sarvada baddha parikareshu. These Rajputs are always ready to protect the country. Those kind of Rajputs themselves, they have started that slavery. They have accepted the slavery of Mughal emperors, which means there is no point of talking about other kings. Obviously, they also started serving the Mughal emperors. That's what they are saying. Sarvatha Bharata Bhumihi Vaideshika Padakranta Dasya Dushita cha Asit. And Sarvatha, completely the whole country, India, it was polluted because of slavery. Dasya Dushita, polluted by slavery. So the whole country completely, Vaideshika Padakranta, the whole country was under the feet of foreign invaders, and because of that, it was polluted by the slavery. Okay, major points are Ayudhya, we are waging war. Parajayam, defeat. Shasanam, inscription is the real meaning of Shasana, but Shasana in this context, it is ruling. Okay, Upayujya, using. Avardhayata, grown. Vashikritaha, conquered. Virataha is going against it. See, for example, Virataha means in a proper way I am going. If I stop going in that way, Virataha, Sanmargat Virataha, he has come out of the good marga, good way. That is what Virataha. Vaideshika Padakaranta, they are gone into the others' hands, foreigners' hands. Dasya Dushita, slavery. Yeah. These are the main points from this part.